Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to talk about setting. So when you read a story, the whole time you're reading the story, the characters will move around to different places. The beginning of the story, they might be at their house. That's the setting. The end of the story, they might be at school. That's the setting for that story. The setting right here, setting, is where the story takes place and when the story takes place. So where did this story happen? And when did this story happen? So you're going to ask yourself when you're reading, why is the setting important to the story? So earlier in the week we read about Clark the Shark. And we're not going to reread the story, but we're going to just look at the story and think about the setting. So where does Clark the Shark live? He lives in the ocean. So that would be the setting of our story, Clark the Shark. And his school was in the ocean, but there are times during the story when he's at school. So during those times, the setting would be at school. There are times during the story when he's at home with his mom. So at those times during the story, the setting would be at his house. But the whole story takes place in the ocean. So the setting of the whole story is the ocean, but different times during this story, he is at different places. Right here on these pages, he's at school. Right here, he's eating lunch. So the setting on this page would be at school during lunchtime. The setting is very important because it gives you a lot of good information about the characters and where they live and what they do and the places they go in the story. All talk about the setting. So we're going to click through this whole story. We're not going to reread it. If you've forgotten about the story, you can go back to yesterday's lesson and listen to the read aloud again. But we're just going to be talking about the setting of the story. So on this page, he's at school on the playground. So they're still in the ocean. That's the setting. They're at school. That's the setting also. They're at the playground. That's the setting also. So you see how the setting can be all different places throughout the story. You have to look at the characters and think, where are those characters right now? What are they doing right now? On this page, looks like they're still on the playground. In the ocean, playing on the playground. These all have to do with the setting. So, we're going to go back here. The setting is where and when the story takes place. You're going to have an activity to do on the next slide that talks about the setting, and you're going to fill in little sections to tell me different times in Clark the Shark where the setting was and what the characters in the story were doing at that time.